All right, YouTubers, welcome back. It's been a while. Kind of took a break. I acquired an old Gravely walk behind 5645 professional walk behind tractor. I acquired it off a guy who said the motor seized up on him. So it came with this mower attachment on the front. I believe it's a 30-inch. The PTO up front, and he thought the motor seized, so he said I could have it. So free is free. And when I got it home, after looking it over, took the pull cord cover off, and that was froze up, and the motor turned over freely. So cleaned it up a little bit, ended up getting a new carb. The carb was completely froze up and gummed up with ethanol gunk. I'll put the link to that carb off of Amazon in the description below if you want to purchase it. And had it running, seems to be working just fine. New spark plug, new fuel filter, new throttle cable. I'll put the link to that off of Amazon as well down in there. Worked perfect. Open it up. The magneto seemed to go on it though. So instead of putting a new one on, I did some research and rigged up an external coil over here, right there, with a fuse on it. Put a new condenser, new points on that are meant for an external coil with a battery hookup. Hooked everything up, put some fuel in, fired her up, and she runs just fine. Forward, reverse, high, low, everything works great. So one thing that happened though, once I got her running, you'll notice the fuel tank's missing. I noticed some gas pouring out of the front of the fuel tank. So what I thought was a pinhole, I went and bought some of this Permatex ethanol resistance fuel tank repair, sanded it up a little bit, and what looked like one little pinhole, once I got rid of all the rust, ended up being about 15-20 tiny little pinholes, Swiss cheese, all across the front end here. So I cleaned it up real good and mixed up this Permatex and put it on here. It's been about 24 hours, so tonight when I get home from work, I'm gonna put this thing back together and put some fuel in it, and we'll see if it holds. Once I do that, I'll get a video of this thing running, and we shall see how that fuel tank repair holds up and how this baby runs completely without the fuel spilling everywhere. So look forward to seeing you tonight. And if you haven't already, like the video, subscribe below to see more. There's definitely going to be more videos of this Gravely doing some work up on the property. See ya.